What's up guys, it's Ian here, back today with another vlog, and today I'm here in San Francisco and we're gonna bring you some cool views. Can't stop these games! You know, I'm walking backwards just to get you guys this footage. This is some dangerous shit, walking backwards up a trail. Just want you to know that I'm doing it for you. We couldn't find any good views around here, so we're gonna go try to find something else, but going close on this plant. Looks pretty cool. How's it look?
Hey, why are you drinking that?
It's because I'm a fucking rock star. I'm using it to justify my caffeine addiction. I suffer from debilitating headaches actually when I don't drink caffeine, and you know, I've been getting concerned that maybe I have the cove lately, because every time I wake up I have like a vicious headache. At this point I'm having to drink coffee and caffeinated beverages just to avoid the recurring headaches. So kids, if you're watching this, don't get addicted to anything. It's not fun. It does have some ergogenic benefit, but for the most part you don't want to get addicted, because then you're just going to be stuck consuming these things forever. You heard it here.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill.
Thank you for coming and watching today's vlog. We're here at the Buffalo Wild Wings in Daly City watching UFC 259. I almost said the wrong number. I had to check. Yeah, thank you for coming and watching today's vlog. It was a short one. Just wanted to bring you some scenery. We'll be back with a more exciting vlog in the next installation of making the homeless do exercises for food.
Sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you